Hi, my name is Matthew Cullen, and I'm one of the counselors here at Green River College. Taking a class online is a much different experience than taking the same class in person. Although students often have to take on a greater responsibility for their learning in online classes, it is not uncommon to be unprepared for the expectations of such courses. If you feel as though you are having a much harder time in online courses, just know that you are not alone. As a counselor, I have worked with many students, especially during the pandemic, who have experienced added stress in their lives, anxiety, even being overwhelmed because of this difference. I can tell you that it's pretty common. And whether you're choosing to take online classes for the first time or it's all that's available to you, Counseling Services has created this video to help you be successful. We've collaborated with Green River's e-learning and the Tutoring Center to bring you information, tips, even resources to help you reach your goal in your online class.
Hi, I'm Whitney Boswell, and I'm an instructional designer in our e-learning department here at Green River College. Here are 5 tips from e-learning on how to be successful in online or virtual classes. The first tip, annotate the syllabus and schedule. The syllabus and schedule are the map for your course. They help you guide you through the quarter for that teacher and that course. Each one is different because it's made by that specific instructor. So you'll want to make sure to download each of them and either print them or open them up on your computer. Annotate means to add notes to it, to explain in your own words or add critical notes such as, this is going to be a hard assignment for me. Make sure to break it up into pieces, and maybe you break it up into pieces right there as you're looking at it. Or I'll be on vacation this week. I need to make sure to do extra homework to do this work ahead of time the week before. So let's take a quick look at a couple of syllabus.
Tip number 2, set a schedule. So in your syllabus, there should be a course schedule. So look at that and take all of these dates and put them in your calendar. If you don't use a calendar now, you'll want to start using one. You could use something digital like Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar. You have an Outlook Calendar in your Green River email that you can use, and it can give you alerts and help you keep on track. Or you can use a good old-fashioned pen and paper calendar. And what you'll want to do is take those large things in your life, work, family obligations, religious obligations, and then schoolwork, and put those things in your calendar first, and then fill it in with the smaller things as you have time to do. You'll also want to make sure to schedule in time for breaks and taking care of your health and wellness. And this is what a physical planner might look like once you're done with a week of adding things to it. Tip number 3, attend class and take notes. Attending class, especially in an online or a virtual way, is incredibly important. And it's also one of the most overlooked things. So how can you take notes in an online class, you ask? Well, you can actually take notes on pretty much anything. Announcements, if they have content in them, lecture videos, written content in your course, even on your textbook. So you can buy a notebook, or you can use something like Word or Google Docs to take notes virtually. So what I would do is I would go to my course, choose the topic that I'm learning about today, and in my notes I would make sure to put in the topic that I'm taking notes about, the day that I took the notes, and then I'm going to click on the content. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch this video and I'm going to take notes on what I see and what I hear. So this can be different for everyone, and what I would suggest is Google ways to take notes, and that will give you some ideas of different ways you can take notes. There are a lot, so find one that works for you. Tip number 4, ask your instructor. Ask for help. They are there to help you and support you. And so there are several ways you can do that. Here on your dashboard in Canvas, you can actually scroll to the help icon. And one of the options is ask my professor a question. And if you click on that, you can actually click on this drop-down menu to choose the course you're enrolled in. And then you can message them here and send message. This will send them a message in their inbox. Another way you can get a hold of them is by email. So in your syllabus, you will find your contact information for your instructor. So usually they'll have an email, a phone number, or some other way to contact them. So be sure to take advantage of this amazing resource. Tip number 5, create peer relationships. So you're all in this together, and it's helpful to reach out to a classmate by emailing them and asking if they want to be study buddies for the quarter. And this could mean getting together virtually at the same time each week to study. It could also just be saying, hey, I would love to have someone check in on me and see if I'm actually doing what I plan to be doing. And you would work that out with them. So a couple ways you can do this. If you have the people icon in a course menu item, you can click on that and you'll see the people in your course. So you should be able to click on their name. At the top right, you're going to see send message. And if you click on this, it will open up your inbox and you'll just be able to send this person a message and say, hey, I would love to be study buddies. Are you interested in that? Here's what I would like to do. The other way you can do that is going directly to your inbox and selecting the course you're in and then particular students from that course.
Taking college classes online can bring a lot of benefits but can also be challenging. That's why Green River College offers a free drop-in tutoring service for a variety of subjects. When you're struggling with a class, an experienced tutor can offer a new perspective while working through difficult topics. Remember, tutoring services are offered for free to help you succeed, and there is no limit to how many sessions you can attend in a quarter. To access tutoring services, go to the Green River website, greenriver.edu. Next, move your mouse over the tab labeled Students, mouse over the tab labeled Academics, and select Tutoring and Resources. Green River College has a variety of tutoring resources. At the Language Center, tutors specialize in foreign languages, while the Public Speaking Center tutors can help with oral presentations. Please note that the Public Speaking Center is available via appointment only. The Math Learning Center is your best resource for assistance in any mathematics course, while the Tutoring and Resource Center can help with a variety of subjects, including science and business-related courses. Finally, the Writing and Reading Center has tutors that will help you improve your writing and develop excellent essays. Remember, tutors are available and ready to help you. Feel free to take advantage of the service they offer whenever you need assistance.
Hello all, my name is Devin Klein, and I'm one of the counselors here at Green River College. I hope that you found the information in today's video helpful. I know I learned some new things while making it. This was just a brief overview of some complex ideas, and it's perfectly natural if you have further questions or want some additional assistance in applying these tips to your particular circumstances. If you ever feel like you want further assistance or to talk to someone about the specific challenges you are facing, please know that you are welcome to set up an appointment with a counselor one-on-one. All of our services are professional, confidential, and free to all enrolled Green River students residing within Washington. You can find out more or set up your own appointment by going to our website.